Mysterious drones are flying over U.S. skies, sparking both fear and curiosity. The government has arrested 2 individuals in connection with these sightings, but the mystery remains unresolved. We've gathered some fascinating reactions from people commenting on the news shared by Fox, and I must say their responses surprised me. Witnesses report these drones hovering near critical spots like reservoirs and power lines since mid-November. Their purpose? Still unknown. Recently, authorities arrested 2 individuals, claiming they were behind these drone flights. But instead of answers, the news sparked even more doubts. Comments on Live Now from Fox reveal strong skepticism about the arrests of 2 individuals linked to drone activity near Boston's Logan Airport. Many doubt these arrests address the larger problem of unidentified drones seen across the country. One user commented, "This is a red herring," suggesting that the arrest might be a distraction. Another user said, "Cover up. These aren't the guys responsible for all the drones." A different user joked they had an SUV-sized drone in their backpack. Must have gotten the bag off Temu. One sarcastically remarked, "Saying you caught the drone operators is like saying you fixed every McFlurry machine in the country." Another speculated they arrested them because they don't want drones up there messing with their military drones. Lastly, a user pointed out, the drones that people are seeing couldn't fit in the back of a pickup truck, let alone a backpack. Several users express a broader distrust of media and official statements, labeling the arrests as fake news or misinformation. The mystery deepens as strange drones continue to be spotted near sensitive locations, but authorities remain tight-lipped. With the FBI and Pentagon avoiding full disclosure, it's unclear if there's a larger operation behind these sightings. Many believe the arrests were just a cover-up, while others question why small drones are being blamed for much larger, more sophisticated ones. Do you think these arrests are just a distraction, or is there something bigger at play? Share your thoughts below.